Can you solve this hard SAT problem? What is the area and square units of the triangle formed by connecting the 3 points shown? Well, first, let's connect these points. Now that we have our triangle, we can actually apply some geometry and form a rectangle. Now, when we see this rectangle, we now can see clearly 3 right triangles, which are going to come in handy in a bit. But first, let's look at this rectangle. Remember that the area of a rectangle is base times height. So in this case, it's going to be 7 times 8, which is 56. Now let's look at this green triangle. Remember, the area of the triangle is going to be base times height divided by 2. This green triangle in this case is going to be 7 times 7 divided by 2, which is 24.5. But now let's look at this orange triangle, which is going to be 8 times 1 divided by 2, which is 4. And then we look at this light blue triangle, and that's going to be 7 times 1 divided by 2, which is 3.5. Now let's look at our main triangle, this dark blue, which is going to be the area of our rectangle subtracted by the green triangle, the orange triangle, and the light blue triangle. We plug in our numbers, and it's going to be 56 minus 24.5 minus 4 minus 3.5. And we're going to get an answer of 24.